Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. And in today's video, I want to show you a skincare routine which is going to be very simple, very affordable and ideal for this summer season. So if you're someone who is suffering from pigmentation, tanning, dull skin, dry skin, any kind of skin related concern you have, and I have a very simple solution for you. So today I will be talking about how I use Ubtan in my daily skincare routine. So this skincare is specially curated for your body, but you can also use it on your face. So without further ado guys, we are quickly gonna be diving in. And so I'm gonna be start up by taking 2 tablespoons of Ubtan. Now my powder has gram flour, it has sandalwood powder, beetroot and all of those things. After that, a pinch of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of honey. We are going to take 2 tablespoons of curd to make this mixture. After that, I will add little bit of rose water and squeeze some lemon in this solution. I'm going to give it a nice stir and our pack is ready guys. This is gonna make your skin all beautiful and glowing. So guys, our Ubtan pack is ready and now I'm gonna be applying it on my body. Now the Ubtan pack which I have prepared today can be applied on your face, but in my demonstration I won't be applying it on my face. So I mainly use it while bathing. I apply it in my underarms, my arms, also my back and my feet area, which is very important. In summers your feet tend to get dry. So yes, our mixture is just ready. It looks delicious, it smells delicious, and we all know that it has lots of benefits guys. So I'll just apply it and let's just go ahead. Now let's apply it on the arms. Because in the summers guys, arms are gonna get dark and tan and the skin definitely needs that nourishment. So I'm just gonna be applying it all over the area, and make sure that you're wearing something which you do not mind ruining. So I have this dark colored top on which you cannot see, so I'll just show you. Okay, so all right, so yes, something dark would do. And my bag guys, all right, I'm just turning here and there and we are almost done here. I'll apply it on my foot area or wherever I feel is required, and then I'm gonna be leaving it on for 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, I'm done here. My skin feels super soft and it has been a long time since I'm doing this. It feels amazing guys, and I do not need a moisturizer because curd and honey are natural moisturizing agents. So my skin feels super silky, very bright and glowing. This pack is gonna be ideal in the summers if you have a little bit of tan or your skin feels dry and dull. It is going to be a perfect solution for you guys. It's very affordable and very easy to do. And still, if you feel it's a hassle to make all of these things and use it, I want to introduce you guys to this Ubtan range by Good Vibes, which consists of a Ubtan face pack. It has Ubtan night cream, Ubtan toner, Ubtan face wash, and also an Ubtan serum. So these are the products which can be used on your face and on your body as well, however you like it, and you just need to buy it. You do not need to mix all of these things. These products are free from harmful chemicals, they are natural, so you do not need to worry about these products harming your skin. So I first start with Ubtan face wash, which comes with silicone bristles. It helps in making your skin soft, it removes dirt and grime, helps in improving tan. If you have any kind of pigmentation on your skin, it is going to be really helpful for you and you will end up with glowing skin. After that comes the face mask guys. It has saffron and turmeric, which helps in nourishing your skin and also helps in making it bright. And the best part is, guys, these are completely safe to use. The products are vegan, free from parabens, sulfates, and there are no mineral oil. Also, after that, I'll be using this Ubtan toner, which helps in nourishing your skin and instantly make it bright. Next up is gonna be this Ubtan serum, guys, which has a lightweight formula, gets absorbed in your skin quickly and give you beautiful and glowing skin. Last but not the least, guys, I will be using this Good Vibe Ubtan Night Cream, which also helps in nourishing your skin, making it radiant, soft, and supple. And in the morning, you're gonna have beautiful skin. So, guys, this is all. The products links are gonna be in the description box below. I will see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you guys so much.